Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Soar from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 16th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the election rally eased off today, and we saw the Dow here finish lower by 55 points. It looks like it wants to take a breather here. The real sign of a pullback will come when it breaches yesterday's low here. And yesterday's low was 18,756. That's the number you want to look out for. The S&P 500 was down 3.5 points, while the Nasdaq actually moved higher by 19. As you know, those FANG stocks have been taking a beating, and they rallied slightly today. But now comes the test. Right here at the 20-period downsloping 20-period moving average. If it cannot break above there, this will fail, and it will more than likely take the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell with it. The Russell today fairly flat here, also looking like it's due for a pullback. Now, this drop that we've seen in bonds has, this is something that could really pressure equities. We've seen bond prices drop dramatically, and we've seen yields soar. Already, mortgage apps were down 9%. After this, and we'll see more of that continue if bond prices continue. Right now, today, got a bit of a bounce. TLT was up $1.10. This looks like a golden shorting opportunity coming up very soon. Any more pullback here in a reversal sign, keep an eye on it. We may get a short setup very soon. Now, the dollar index went higher. I'll show you that chart in a second, while gold was higher earlier in the session and then faded, closed very flat. Same with crude. It managed to gain about 24 cents or so at the close, but it faded after that as well. So it's flat. Let me just show you quickly the dollar index. It continues to move higher here. So things are very, very interesting now. As you know, obviously, you're going to start hearing a lot more chatter about the Fed coming up in December, but a rate hike is likely, which should continue this up move in for the dollar. All right, so we'll keep an eye, as I mentioned, keep an eye on the Nasdaq, or the Dow, for this level. Yesterday's low, 18,756. That'll tell you whether or not we will see this pullback. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.